Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Lab. Today we're diving deep into Google Gemini, the AI tool that's about to change how you approach writing, research, marketing, and more. I'll be walking you through its top features and sharing 10 essential prompts you can use to make your tasks easier. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you're going to love what Gemini can do. Let's get started. What is Google Gemini? So what exactly is Google Gemini? Well, Gemini is a cutting-edge AI tool with two roles. It's both an AI chatbot and the technology powering it. There are two versions, the free Gemini Pro and the advanced Gemini Ultra. And guess what? You can use Gemini for real-time web access or offline tasks. It's perfect for everything from writing content to learning new things. 2. How to use Google Gemini. Using Gemini is super easy. Just head to the Gemini website, log in, and start typing your prompts. Want to write a blog post? Need help planning a trip? Gemini's got your back. Here's a sneak peek of what you can do with it. Top 10 practical prompts for Gemini. Now, let's jump into some practical examples of how to make the most out of Google Gemini. These are going to save you time and spark your creativity. 1. Writing partner. I'm writing a blog about topic. Find and summarize 3 to 5 sources and create an outline. Perfect for bloggers needing a jumpstart. 2. Email crafting. Prompt. Write an email to a potential client about our new product. Highlight benefits and call to action.
Subject. Harness the sun's power with our innovative solar solution. Dear client name, are you ready to embrace a sustainable future? Your company name is excited to introduce our latest solar energy solution designed to power your specific application, e.g., home, business, farm.
Gemini even helps with professional communication. 3. Researching trends. Prompt. Summarize the latest trends in the industry market.
Here are the latest trends in the solar light market. 1. Increasing adoption of solar street lights. Governments worldwide are promoting solar street lights due to their energy efficiency and environmental benefits.
Stay ahead of the curve with detailed industry insights. 4. Learning tool. Prompt. Explain complex concept in simple terms with examples.
Quantum physics, also known as quantum mechanics, is a branch of physics that describes the behavior of matter and energy at the smallest scale, such as atoms and subatomic particles. Unlike classical physics, which governs the macroscopic world, quantum physics introduces some mind-bending concepts that challenge our everyday intuition.
Great for students or anyone learning something new. 5. Image detection. Simply upload an image and ask Gemini to analyze it for you. Easy. 6. Grammar check. Prompt. Proofread my blog post for errors and suggest improvements. It's like having your own personal editor. 7. Travel advisor. Plan trips using Google Hotels and flight extensions with Gemini. Effortless travel planning. 8. Marketing tool. Prompt. Brainstorm marketing ideas for our product aimed at target audience. Great for marketers looking for fresh, creative campaigns. 9. YouTube summary. With YouTube extensions, get instant video summaries. No more scrubbing through long videos. Bonus tips for Gemini users. Pro tip, always give specific prompts to Gemini for the best results. The clearer your instructions, the better its responses. And remember, you can adjust settings to use real-time web access or stick with offline research if that suits your project better. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the Tutorial Lab, and hit the notification bell for more AI tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments which prompt you're most excited to try with Google Gemini. See you in the next video. That's it for today's video. Go ahead and start experimenting with Google Gemini. I promise you, it's a game changer. Thanks for watching and happy prompting.